Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting right away. Enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux in Windows features, because WSL2 needs virtualization. Next, open an elevated PowerShell and run WSL set default version 2 so new distros use the faster kernel. Once done, install a Linux distro, either from the Microsoft Store or with WSL install Ubuntu, to create your first Linux user. Make sure your PC meets virtualization requirements and that Hyper-V isn't blocked. This gets you up and running fast. Once your distro boots, update packages immediately with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to avoid conflicts. Then configure user defaults and create a WSL config in your Windows user folder to set memory, processors, and swap. This prevents resource surprises. Make sure mounts and interop are set so you can access Windows files at \WSL$ and run Windows apps from Linux. You can also use WSLG for GUI apps. This integration is why WSL is practical for daily development and GUI needs. Finish by customizing profiles, installing dev tools, and creating backups. Use WSL export to save a distro and WSL import to restore it elsewhere. To apply kernel updates, run WSL update followed by WSL shutdown. This keeps WSL stable. If something breaks, check virtualization is enabled in BIOS, update Windows to the latest build, and confirm Hyper-V isn't disabled by third-party hypervisors. One key troubleshooting tip: if a distro won't start, run WSL LV to see states, and then reinstall or export/import to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.